Hello everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of the Priyanka Show. Today, I have a very special guest with me. He is a content writer and he writes content for agencies and freelancers. So this guy is always ready to take part in different challenges. And recently he completed two challenges and is currently working on his 180 days blogging challenge as well. So, guys, just wanted to add something in this. He is not only completed these challenges, but he is earning a good amount money from that as well. So, welcome to the show, Puneet Nigam. How are you doing?
Hi, Priyanka. Firstly, thank you for the warm introduction. Yes, I'm doing great. I'm blessed. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. So, Puneet, my very first question to is, I know about you, but can you just tell me the brief introduction about you?
Okay. So, hi, I'm Puneet. I am personally a relationship blogger right now, and I blog at Admiring Life. Other than that, I do challenges that Priyanka just told you about my 180 days blogging challenge. So, it's basically my 6 months project in which I'm at fifth a month, and I'm earning few money from it because there are some new members that have joined this challenge. Other than that, I have done fitness challenge in the past. It's like 100 days fitness challenge, and I have done 40 days meditation challenge as well in the past. And
Hmm.
my current plans are for also like stock market challenge, which will be 400 days. So that's the
Okay,
progress
that's
right
great.
now.
Hmm.
And I also write content as a freelancer for companies right now as well.
Okay, okay. Can you just share some key learnings from those challenges?
So from my 6 month project 180 days blogging challenge, I realized that one main learning is that you can't just put all your thoughts. You
Hmm.
have to position yourself as someone who is expert in something. You
Okay.
can't just write all your thoughts and wish that someone will come and hear your talk, hear your thoughts, what do you have to
Hmm.
say. You have to
Hmm.
position yourself. It's called blog positioning. You have to
Hmm.
be expert in something and stay consistent with that. So that's the major
Correct.
learning if you
Hmm.
are in the online world and you want to do blogging.
Hmm. Yes. So as you mentioned that consistency matters. So I know that to complete any challenge, you have to be consistent, right? So being consistent look easy, and it sounds to be easy as well. But being consistent in practical way, that is much more difficult. I would like to know about what is your main source of motivation behind to be consistent in this journey.
There are only two things that you want that you should remember.
Hmm.
One thing is getting started.
Hmm.
For your information, I started this 180 days blogging challenge
Hmm.
as I have decided that I'll be starting this challenge on the 5th February, no matter what.
Okay.
And on the late night 3 a.m. I started it because that was a date, 5th February, so I
Hmm.
have to start.
Hmm.
No matter
Okay.
it's like 8 o'clock in the morning or late 3 a.m. So this is the first thing that you have to get
Hmm.
started no matter what the time is right now.
Okay. Okay.
Second learning is to
Hmm.
the method to stay consistent is to get through the tough days, like
Hmm.
when you are not wanted to work. And so the only part is my goal for some days is to just open my laptop,
Okay.
do
Okay.
nothing else, just to open
Hmm.
my laptop.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what it does psychologically to me that
Uh,
I am consistent. I have opened my laptop. Now it's just a 5 minute work that I have to do, and I'll just
hmm.
close the laptop. So that's I do on the tough days, and tough days are very less. In a week,
Hmm.
it will be 1 or 2 days only that you don't want to work at all. So just
Hmm.
open your laptop or whatever. Make your
Hmm.
goals smaller for the day if you want to be stay
Okay.
consistent. That's my
Hmm.
main. That's
Hmm.
my main
So divided
thing
your
that I do.
yes, divided your day into the working hours basically, and works into the that work into divided into sub parts. Basically, this fund you are using, right?
Yeah, kind of something like this only.
Hmm.
Whenever that feels tough, that I don't have much time or much energy left in me, I just open my laptop, do a 2 minute
Hmm.
writing, and that's all for the day.
Okay, okay. So you are the content writer. So my next question is related to content only. So what type of content you have written so far?
In the freelancing field, you are asked to write technical write articles first. Like they will give you some keywords, and then you have to present a 2,000 technical writing. Other than that, is like social media writing, where you just have
Hmm.
to write the captions for the companies for their
Hmm.
blog post.
Hmm.
That should be interesting and very capturing. So that type of content I have wrote. Other than
Okay,
this,
okay.
I have written like a long post, like a
Hmm.
3,000 words article.
Oh,
They
that's
give
good.
me the outline and I just write.
Okay, okay.
In the copywriting thing, I have done for myself, but I have not got any projects right now for that. Other
Hmm.
than that, I have also written video script as well, which I
Oh,
failed miserably, but I do have experience on that as well.
okay, okay. So when we plan to write any article or any blog, first we have to research about the target audience. So how do you research about your target audience? Is there any specific way in that way you are researching about your target audience or what? Can you share some tips about that?
Is there are two sources, main two sources. One is social media. Join
Huh.
any Facebook group that you is in, and
Hmm.
there will be lots of queries that
Hmm.
people ask. And if you are capable enough to answer that queries, you can write an article on that. One
Oh.
source is that I look for my target audience in the social media groups that I joined.
Hmm.
Second source is I use Google Keyword Planner,
Hmm.
where I just search for my expertise. Like personally, I'm in relationship niche, so
Hmm.
I search for like how to make your girlfriend happy. Also searching that how to make your girlfriend happy in a long distance relationship, how to make your girlfriend happy over text, how to make your girlfriend happy over WhatsApp. So everyone has different queries and everyone wants different answers for their queries. So I have like three blog articles to write now. So that's
Hmm.
how I research my target audience. One is keyword research through
Hmm.
Google Keyword Planner. Second is joining the social media groups.
Okay, okay. So sorry to interrupt you, but just wanted to ask you one interesting question. So are you in relationship? So your niche is relationship itself. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. So as you have asked that if I'm in a relationship, that I wanted to keep it a secret, but I'm gonna get married in a month right now.
Okay, okay. Oh, congratulations. So I can you just tell me how do you plan and schedule your work? Means is there any tool
So
or anything you are using?
no, I just use Google Documents, Google Sheets. That's enough for me.
Okay, okay.
And to organize my work, I just keep 2 hours or 1 hour separate for each day. It's like
Hmm.
if I'm at my shop
Hmm.
working, then I
Hmm.
keep my 9 to 10, 1 hour in the night or 2 hours in the night to keep up my consistency.
Okay,
But
okay.
sometimes you may get affected and you may have some priorities, so you can make
Hmm.
it up by waking up early and do your work. So I do that.
Okay, okay. So, how do you analyze the performance of your content?
Um, it's I don't use Google Analytics much
Hmm.
because I feel that people, if they are loving your content, they will comment,
Hmm.
and you can get feedback from them by creating your own groups and how
Hmm.
they are liking your work. And if they're liking your work, they share their thoughts on the group. So I have WhatsApp groups, and I get feedback like instantly. So even if there are no comments on my blog, I still get to know where I'm lacking and where I have to improve. So I measure my performance of the content there. In the
Okay, okay.
freelancing work,
Hmm.
in the freelancing work, they I get instant feedback that you are lacking here, you have to improve. So I have no option to just
Hmm.
improve in the 2 or 3 hours. So that's how I get feedback for freelance there, and for my own blogs, I get feedback from my personal groups.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So, and so can you share that unique about your some unique keys about your writing skills?
Uh, Actually, you know what? I think a lot.
Hmm.
So I'm already knowing that what all things people want to ask. So that's
Hmm.
one of the thing which not everyone can relate to. Like even if you are taking my interview, I am can think like what all key things you want to know from me right
Okay,
now
okay.
for your. So that's the only thing I think a lot, and I feel that's my only strength here.
Mhm.
And there is no unique point here because I feel that everything is like what do you say, innovated. Like you
Mhm.
get an idea and you created your own. So everything is innovated. Nothing is unique about you. You just take inspiration from everyone and you innovate your own ideas. I feel
Mhm.
that way.
Okay, okay. So, and currently, what books are you reading currently?
I am currently reading financial book Rich Dad Poor Dad. In the
Okay.
relationship book, I am reading You Are the Best Wife,
Okay.
and there are some spiritual books as well that I read. I'm basically a spiritual writer, so I do read like Zen, the Art of Simple Living. So I read 2 to 3 books on a day, like two to
Okay.
two pages each from each genre of the book. So I like that way.
Okay, okay. So the basic content, basic thoughts, you just talk about your thinking process, na? So the main source of that thoughts is books only. They
Yeah,
are coming through those books. Okay,
books are
so
my friends, lifetime friends.
okay, okay, that is great. And so, can you just give some advice to the people who are recently means starting their journey in the content marketing?
Uh, Firstly, I'm no one to give tips to anyone, but as you have asked, uh, you can just write and write. You will get feedbacks if you are writing consistently. So that's the only thing you should keep in your mind, that you will get so many tips over here, over there. You just have to focus on implementation. Just
Hmm.
write your content, and after writing your content, to market it, whatever platforms you feel that your audience are in, supposedly Instagram and Pinterest, relationship people, relationship
Hmm.
bots, there are lots of many. So I target Instagram and Pinterest more.
Okay,
And for your thing, you can market your content seeing but all social media your audience is looking answers. So that's how you market your content, you build yourself there,
okay.
and just keep writing content and you will figure out all the things you want.
Okay,
That's
so
my only.
main social media platform you are using that Instagram and Pinterest, na, as you mentioned.
Yeah, WhatsApp too.
Yes, yes. That's the primary.
Yeah, WhatsApp have like I have 4 groups right now for different genres, for book review, for blogging, and different my own
Oh.
personal groups. My own personal groups. So I need that group for marketing and for getting feedbacks.
Okay, okay. So, as you are into the relationship niche as well, what your advice to the couples or the anyone who is in the relationship?
Be the real you, genuine, honest, loyal. That's all a girl or a boy want from you. And never
Hmm.
expect anything. I know sounds easy, but
Hmm.
never expect anything. That's the only thing that will help your relationship.
Hmm.
Other than that, if you just respect the person as they are, it will grow your relationship.
Hmm. Okay.
That's all.
So, so thank you so much, Puneet. We have discussed a lot of things with you, and this session was really nice. So, uh,
Before you end,
hmm,
I want to say, Twinkle, that I'm very humbled, grateful, and blessed that you felt that I can be someone who anyone can take interview. I have not
hmm,
saw myself as that, so I'm really
hmm.
humble, grateful. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, so I will share all the social media links, the social media handles of our yours and mine account as well in the below section. Okay, so if you like our content, you can uh, follow us. Thank you.